Your crew services, repairs and maintains heavy equipment outside of a workshop, and to ensure minimum downtime and maximum productivity, you rely on equipment that does its job day in and day out. Shermac provides industrial quality products for the mining, civil and commercial sectors. We design, manufacture, supply and support a wide range of specialised support vehicles for your particular needs, preferences, circumstances and environment. Australia is a vast country made up of long distances. You travel far and wide, and Shermac understands productivity is crucial. As a maintenance supervisor, you know meticulous engineering is connected to productivity because you can't afford the time or money to have a vehicle out of action on a regular basis. Shermac's quality build means minimum downtime and maximum productivity. We design and build the perfect combination of customised, innovative elements for your situation and environment, including service trucks, service trailers, diesel trailers, water carts, crane trucks, tilt trays, plant trailers, drill support vehicles, mobile workshops and Boilermakers vehicles. As a flexible, responsible, reliable company, our service includes supplying spare parts and field support and maintenance. We provide the support and after-sales service you'd expect from an industry leader. Shermac provides predictable performance and predictable costs. Get your questions answered quickly and completely today by contacting us via phone or email so you can make innovative recommendations to your supervisor.